Okay, guys, it's Chris from investingwithchris.com bringing you this investing on demand video. A lot of you have asked me about starting up a Robinhood or which broker I use, and I'm going to tell you right now, choosing the right broker is highly important. You see companies like Robinhood where they sell fractional shares and basically get into having the new beginners in the investing world ruin their portfolio because they provide you with a margin account that is highly over leveraged for someone who is just starting out. And what highly leveraged or marginal account means is, for example, if you have $1,000 that you have in your own money that you put in your portfolio, they will allow you up to sometimes 50 to sometimes even over 100% in margin, meaning you'll have anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000 to actually trade with. If you lose the money, you have to come up with that. So, unlike a cash account or something that you are investing with on TD Ameritrade without a margin, you're only going to lose up to the amount that you put in. So, I'm going to bring up something real quick that I wanted to share with you, and that is a few bad points about Robinhood and what I've seen that other people talk about and the same thought processes and opinions that I have about it. Unfortunately, it just is what it is, and things like this do happen. There was a story last week, I believe, or a couple weeks ago, that a 20-year-old had committed suicide over a $730,000 account balance being in the negative. I think one morning he woke up and he's seen his account being negative $730,000, almost $1 million in losses, and unfortunately the kid killed himself over it. So you can see all these articles. Literally just read through it yourself, understand what Robinhood is truly about. Is it a good thing if you know what you're doing? Certainly. If you do not know what you're doing and you're new to the investment world, I highly recommend you stay away from it. So anyways, that's just a little couple things that I want you to be aware of about Robinhood and actually taking it upon yourselves to do your own due diligence. I do use Acorns myself. It's a managed account that they have for $3 a month. They also pay you dividends. So if you have a couple extra $50 to $100 spare every month, that's something you might want to look into. But this TD Ameritrade is who I use for my broker, and I do use the Thinkorswim platform. It's totally free. You can see that down here you can open up a new account. You'll go to tdameritrade.com and basically open up a new account. When you hit open up a new account, it's going to allow you to pick what type of account that you are needing to open. Whether these are the most commons: individual brokerage, joint tenants, traditional IRA, Roth IRA, rollover IRA, and then you have these two, which are the uniform gifts to minors and uniform transfers to minors act, joint and minor, retirement, educational savings, business and trust. These are going to be for those hedge funds and individuals who trade other people's money or their own as a business. Managed portfolios, these are where TD Ameritrade and their advisors help you, or basically handle your money for you. So if you look in the Roth IRA, traditional IRA, there are a little bit tax differentials here that you need to consider when choosing one or the other. I do have an individual brokerage account, and simply a all cash account. Also, I think I'm trying to think what other one I have. But anyways, some of these you could actually open up a Trader 429 status and then begin your sole proprietorship account where you basically can write off taxes when taking courses and other trading, buying books and whatever. So I just want to let you know that this is one of the brokers that I do use and highly recommend. I've been with them for over 10 years, is a TD Ameritrade, and again, thinkorswim platform. And remember guys, I always am making videos and courses over this platform showing you how to use it because it is all in one. If you don't get the education from me, specifically go to the education tab up here and you have a learning center and their education center where they have videos each and every single day and basically teach you almost everything you need to know about futures, mutual funds, bonds, options. It's a lot of great content. So just watch that. So here we are. If you don't know something, definitely get a hold of me. You have tools and platforms. This is going to be the web version, the downloadable version for the thinkorswim. I'm just going to go through some of these real quick. As you can see, 2 platforms, one place to build and manage your portfolio. This is the web one. Trade offering. 0 commissions. As I said, a lot of brokers are going to this 0 commissions now. Thinkorswim. Then you have your mobile. Thinkorswim mobile. Another good one when you're on the road. 24/5 trading. This is usually some of the ETFs that are opened up, commodities, markets, etc., etc. The SPY, the QQQ, so on and so on. So there you go. I just want to stress, pick the right broker that's right for you and the one that has the best customer service. With TD Ameritrade and thinkorswim, I literally go up here, go to support and chat. You have live support, create a support ticket request, and they're usually with you or back to you in about 20 minutes. So anyways, this is how you get started with trading. You pick the broker. I use TD Ameritrade. Get your account set up. Download thinkorswim. Also, if you do deposit around about $100, they will allow you the live data. So you will get on your paper simulated side the ability to have live data fed to your system so you can trade more accurately and practice that way. So keep that in mind. TD Ameritrade, deposit $50 to $100, then go to them on your support and ask them to give you live data. I think when you do not do it and it's defaulted to almost 5 to 7 minutes, maybe it's even longer when the data, so that means all the trading, when you're trading stocks, the data is not given to you right away. So just keep that in mind. Ask for that. Also, I think the standard is 65 cents for options, 0 for stocks. You can try to have that lowered. You can will and deal with them possibly. I know when options used to be about $1.50 or $3, I contacted them, said I'll be doing a lot of trading, and they actually lowered my commission fees. Now everything's pretty low, almost low as they can be, but you can still try. So anyways, that's it for this video. Check investingwithchris.com out. Make sure you tell your friends and family about investingondemand.com, and I'll see you in the next video.